do the math, it's not that much more square footage, you
Yeah.
know? And it would
Yeah.
just really, because then when it
Yeah.
stopped, it would just look,
Mm-hmm.
I would go all the
Okay.
way up.
That's what I want.
That's like
I know, this is a black, you can't see it. It's a all for her Versace China. Beautiful. So really, and I purchased this from you.
What are you doing?
The lit quartzite. That's amazing. Yeah,
So that's a good one.
yeah.
Oh my gosh, that's gonna be so pretty.
Mm-hmm. Those lights twice because you can see them through. It's such a thin.
That you can see the grid. Which one are we doing?
Yeah.
Okay.
Good. This is good. That's good.
Oh my gosh, this is so pretty.
No, I'm really that.
I love me a vertical stacked
Mm-hmm.
plate on this kind of tile.
Great. Tile
Girl,
floor.
you're so good.
Thank you.
So good.
Love the countertops.
Oh, this tall is so pretty.
Yeah.
Oh my
I'll
goodness.
show you the last one.
Be right here.
Yeah.
This
We have
is
all new furniture, beautiful custom table. Yeah.
Oh, and that's what we were looking for that page. Huge transformation.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is gonna look beautiful. I like that there's not a big piece of art and you're just gonna do a beautiful tile with a fixture.
Yeah.
It's gonna look stunning.
Then finish
This
off.
is just
Oh,